Okay, put the deck. I need a dotty. Alright, I'll do that. Hi, I'm Howard from Zany Puppets and Cyber Times LLC. Today we're going to talk about ventriloquism secrets. Not that these are secrets, but I'm going to take apart a couple dummies and show you how they work. Now, this is Mortimer Snerd. This is Edgar Bergen's dummy. I know dummy. Not that smart, but I know dummy. Okay, he's no dummy. Okay, Mortimer Snerd is no dummy. I am not a dummy. But I'm going to take you apart. Oh yeah? Yeah. And I'm going to show everybody interested in how you work. First of all, this is the control arm, control rod in here. And it's connected with sort of like a rubber band. This dummy, this ventriloquist doll, whoop. Hey, my hat and shoes fell off. Sorry. It's made by Goldberger Company. It's a replica of some of the older dummies, the original ones. There's Edgar Bergen's Charlie McCarthy and Mortimer Snerd. And it's modified by Kevin Detweiler in Missouri. Originally, the dolls from Goldberger Company, they had a strain coming out of the back, and you pulled it and the mouth would go up and down. And they didn't have hair or moving eyes or eyebrows. This guy has moving eyebrows. I do. I do. So we're going to take him apart. First of all, let's going to take his head off. No, don't do that. Well, I'm going to. So it's on a little. There we go. And there's one of the shoes missing. What'd you do that for, Howard? Well, it's down on the floor. Okay, so we get it right out, and you can see there's a control arm, stick, rod, whatever they call it. This lever moves the mouth when sideways, and then this one right over here moves the eyebrows, and there's another one over here that actually moves the eyes. This is a super deluxe version. Yeah, I'm pretty suited. It's really hard to operate those three levers consistently, but with practice you can do that. Okay, put the deck. I need a dotty. Alright, I'll do that. Thanks a lot. So let's put him back. Whoa. That's much better. Ellie. Okay, let me connect up the rubber bands on the bottom. If you have any questions, please leave comments. If you like this puppet vlog, please subscribe. The subscribe button is right over there. See in the background? That's my monkey. Not a monkey, on the chimp. Okay, chimp. We'll straighten that out, Howard. Straighten that out.